teachers and dear friends. We see that in modern age, technology is replacing everything. We do not need paper pen as software can be used to write on. We do not need physical book as the advent of e-books and PDFs. So the question arises, can this modern technology replace the classroom teachers too? So now I would like to introduce our senior class 12 girls, Miss Radha Anjana, Miss Rajanandani Rathod, Miss Sonam Kumari, and now I would like to introduce class 11 girls also as my classmates, Miss Priyanka Prajapat, Miss Vijeta Sharma, Miss Ranu Chauhan, and also including me, Mahi Jat, to perform here debate. Class 11th girls are in favor of technology and class 12th girls are against the motion. With due respect of my teachers, I want to say that the advantage of technology is that they can make something more essential anytime, anywhere, access to information, group work, past work, and are not the benefit of technology. The material and resources have more of an opportunity to stay up to date, and there are so many choices that each student can find something which is relevant to them. Thank you.
This is the first argument that I would like to give against the motion. Since ancient time, a relation of teacher, guru, student are the most respectable and strongest one. We have heard that how in those days they used to give such a good knowledge without any phone, laptop, computer, which is famous even today. Thank you.
In ancient times that happened, Guru has sufficient knowledge. But if the students need more information, then Guru cannot give it. But nowadays, if the students want to gain more and more information, so they can use technology and create the job. Thank you.
But only the teachers can find out the method of better learning process in different atmosphere like natural environment, social environment, historical environment. Teachers and students have such a bond that only humans and humans can understand, and robot cannot replace it because the emotions are not filled into the robot. They can feel only the knowledge that human being put into them. So I am disagree with that point. Thank you.
Helps students to develop and improve their skills and assist them overcome the difficulties which they face during the education. Also, technology can provide to countless online resources and increasing them. Thank you.
I beg to completely disagree with this statement. Student needs teacher to direct them in learning. Hand-on skills in science, technology, arts, mechanism. Moreover, in order to learning critical skills like decision making, time management, student needs teachers, as technology cannot teach these human skills. Thank you.
I disagree with my opponent team. They say teacher give us morals and give motivation to understand life skills. But if we go to a computer or machine, it shows if what we want and what we need. It won't tell us the other extra stuffs. But if we program it, it can also tell us morals. It can also give us the motivation videos of the great legends. Thank you.
I beg to disagree with my opponent teams. Teachers are not only facilitate with knowledge but also guide, mentor and inspiration for the student. Teacher can read the emotional state of students.
I agree with you, but some teachers show very casual attitude toward the student. They had don't show had feelings. That whether the student has understanding topic or not. Thank you.
I am completely disagree with my opponent team because robots makes no mistake in teaching. Most of the robots require charging to function smoothly, which may lead to spending on electricity in a huge quantity. Robots certainly can handle their prescribed task, but they cannot handle unexpected situations. So you must imagine a world without teacher. Just imagine when a teacher comes in your classroom and tells, "Good morning, children," the verb to fill in this sentence, can a robot give that? No. Thank you.
Yes, I agree with my opponent team. When the teacher says good morning, the students will what? And at ask, can robot do that? Then yes. If we will program them motion, can robot also do that? Thank you. I beg to completely disagree with this statement. Teachers create a classroom cultures fire, but teachers help them through their struggles, help them fight back and stand up. Can technology do that? No. Thank you.
I disagree with my opponent team. Technology provides many ways for students to learn through direct institution, podcasting, video streaming, and project-based learning, algorithm-based learning, and many more things that we can understand and clear our doubts and understand a topic very easily and clear. Thank you.
I beg to completely disagree with this statement. Even in online course, we see that teachers are necessary to give lecture in the form of video, tutorials and Viva sessions, and students still need to learn computer, which of course are taught by teacher. Thank you.
With respect to my teachers, I would like to say this. Friends, we are human beings. Even teachers are also human beings. They can make mistakes in life and they think teachers are also partial towards students and it hurt the students. But do you think robot will do that? No, they won't do that. Teachers even insult the feeling of the students and but robot won't insult students and they won't hurt children. Thank you.
It's okay, but in critically like decision making, time management, a child needs a teacher. Just because technology cannot teach what the student actually want. Thank you.
I disagree with my opponent. Technology provides many ways for a student to learn anywhere, at any time, assist them to learn at a place which is comfortable for each student. Thank you.
I disagree with my opponent team. I surely believe that teachers cannot be replaced by computers or technology. Computers do not have human touch. Teachers have the emotional connects with the students. They adjust their speed according to the students, but computers do not adjust their speed according to the students. Suppose if during examination you cannot understand the chapter and you go to your teacher, ma'am, sir, I cannot understand this chapter, then she take your separate side and explain the whole concept. Our teacher is everything for us and they are the best. Thank you.
Teachers are sometimes careless and they don't give much attention so many times. But robot have feed into all details, all informations, make mistakes there and will teach it. Some teachers just the book, read the book and just show it. Whereas robot will have all the information feed into them so they can teach you better. Thank you.
We disagree with this statement. As my opponent said it, robot can't be partial. But suppose in your class you're not feeling well or something happened with you. Can robot convince you? Can robot tell you what happened, beta? No, they can't do it. But teacher, when enter in your class, firstly ask you, how are you? What happened? Why your mood so off? Can technology do that? No. Thank you.
I disagree with you. Understanding our feelings is not the only thing. Not only thing. We come to the school not only just to share our feelings. We come to here to educate. And I think robots do it better than any human can do it. Thank you.
Technology can only enhances the knowledge, but not that life experience that we got from our teacher. During teaching, a teacher uses creativity so that student can acquire best knowledge in effective way. Thank you.
Maybe you are right. That happens, but it doesn't happen sometimes. Of such devices, even teachers are also use technology and appreciate it. Technology gives additional tools to teachers to express a better audiovisual and through a practical and live example. Thank you.
Completely disagree with this statement. Teachers lead, guide and mentor of students. They are the role model who set an example to students. Teachers also encourage independent thought and independent learning. She can positively influence and achieving their goal. Thank you.
Respect of my teacher, I want to say that the use of technology can make that learning is no longer conflict to the traditional time and sitting in the classroom. Thank you.
When we study from computer, laptop or phone, we must have seen that our devices get hacked. But have you ever heard that teacher get hacked? No. Sometimes teacher even fall sick even after she see her health after future of student. Thank you.
Students with a specific requirement, they can be programmed to work and
completely disagree with my opponent team. Technology plays a vital role in our everyday life, and in the situation that people think that we can replace teachers by technology, so it is very bad idea. No matter how advanced computer technology or artificial intelligence, it can never come close to the life experience as a teacher brings. Teacher and students makes a perfect bond and create a perfect learning environment which cannot be achieved through virtual learning. Teachers and technology can move alongside, but technology cannot replace teachers. Thank you.
I disagree with my opponent team. You have many examples in the world where robot teachers are teaching the students even better than human teachers. If you see, in Japan, technological department has increased by the robots, and the increased percentage of a student has from 40% to 80%. And I think in India too, we should replace the teachers by the robot teachers. Thank you. As you hear our and their points, the merits and demerits of teacher and as well as technology. So it's time for conclusion, and I would like to invite our guide, our mentor, Ms. Shikha Dongre, to come here and conclude the debate. Thank you.
Greetings of the day, my dear students, and I am very glad to hear that my students talk about all the technology and the teachers and the present and the future information about you. I want to share my point of view on that. Technology actually improves our life, and it is actually can better do in future our life, but I see technology as only the supportive system of education in future, in present, but sometimes it can be our partner also. We can do everything with the help of the technology, with the support of the technology. But in the sense of teacher, if I see the teacher, so there is a huge difference between the technology and the teacher. Teacher is a human being and technology is a machine. It can be a better supportive system, but it cannot be a teacher. For presenting my point of view, I want to share a story. Somewhere I read that Jensen, he was talking about Teachers' Day and teachers' importance. So, an interviewer asked the Sam that, sir, what are your experiences about the teacher? He smiled and said that I remember my teacher. So he said that why you remember your teacher? He said that before 60 years I asked a question to my teacher. For that question I am very excited that time, and I remember right now that question. So interviewer asked him, before 60 days experience you are sharing with us and you are remembering, how is it possible? He said the question was not interesting, answer was very interesting. He said, what is the answer? So Sam says that I asked to my teacher in class 2nd, sir, why 2 plus 2 is 4? Why 2 plus 2 is 4? So my teacher answered me that 2 plus 2 is 4, not 3, not 5. Because in your future life, when you will earn money for your livelihood, when you will take money from someone, you will not take 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. And when you take money and when you want money from someone, he said that when in your life you will take money from someone, so you will not take 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 and you will pay, then you will not pay 2 plus 2 is equal to 3. So that is the point. These moralities of life can be taught by only the teacher. No one in your life will teach you values. No one in your life will teach your morality, and your guidance of the life will only given by your teacher. So teacher is important for that, the values and the morality in your life. It is my point according to the technology and also teacher. Yes, technology can be a good servant but not a good master. Thank you. Have a nice day. And I am very thankful to all my students who are here, and sir also, he gave us their valuable time, and my students who performed first time, Ranu Chauhan, Priyanka Prajakar. Yes, I never expect to you that you can do like that, but if we will do it continue, so we will completely erase our all mistakes. Okay, thank you.